Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a haul for you, and today's haul is going to be a clothing haul. Actually, I've also got a couple of pieces of homeware to show you as well. This is all stuff that I've picked up in the shops recently, so it's not one of my thrift hauls. This is all stuff that's available in the shops at the minute, and a few of the pieces are items that brands have sent to me for my blog or for my Instagram. So I thought I'd show you those as well in case you're interested. Everything's quite autumnal, so it felt like a good time to show you, and yeah, I just thought I would share with you the things that I've bought. It's a bit of a collective haul. I've got things from all different stores. I've been trying to be a bit more conscious about my purchases. I know I've mentioned this before. You saw me do the huge wardrobe declutter. Every now and then I do need to introduce some more pieces into my wardrobe from regular shops. I'm just trying to be a little bit more conscious of the things that I'm buying and thinking about how much wear I can get out of them, or just how they will work with other items of clothing to make outfits and to make more outfits, I guess. I mean, I'd love to have a capsule wardrobe, but that's not going to happen anytime soon, let's be realistic. But I'm trying, I'm really trying. So before we get into the haul, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, actually, the first thing that I want to show you is this shirt that I'm wearing. So this I picked up while I was in Ibiza. This is from Mango Man, and yeah, it's in a size large, so it's quite big, but I quite liked this for my holiday because I was able to wear it on the beach and cover up a little bit because I was attacking that hotel buffet. We were at an all-inclusive place, so I was certainly working on my beach body. I was working on making it bigger around my belly. So this was a nice versatile piece for that. But do you know what? I really like it for the autumn month. I just really like the pattern on it and the colouring for autumn. So I put that on for the haul to show you. I also picked up these cushions from H&M Home that I wanted to show you as well. Cushion covers, I should say. So I've got the cushions underneath that I had for the summer, and I've just introduced these. I've just realised it might be Halloween when this video goes out. So happy Halloween from the Skull and my pumpkin collection. If you want to see how I DIY'd those, I will link that video down below for you. All of these are from Poundland, and I just did a little DIY on them. There's another one here. So yeah, I'll link that video down below for you. Sorry, let's get on with this. So the other piece of homeware that I've got to show you just before we get on with the clothing is this set of hooks that I picked up from H&M Home as well. H&M Home is definitely one of my favourite homeware stores. They're also available online, so I will link anything down below that I can. And this was £3.99, which I thought was really good. Someone said to me they thought I would have DIY'd this because I showed this in, what was I doing? It was a shopping vlog. And yes, I guess you could DIY this, but for £3.99, I don't know, I thought that I would probably spend that on the materials and then the time it would take me. I thought that was just such a good little piece. They also do one that's twice the length as well. I think it's got 8 hooks. I think that one was £7 or £8.99. So that's going to go near to the door to hang our keys on. Not right next to the front door. Thank you very much to the viewer that suggested that would be a bad idea because someone could get in through the letterbox and unhook our keys. It won't be right next to our front door, so rest assured, but thank you very much for the tip. I do appreciate that. Now on to Primark. Now if you watch my friend Luke's channel, which I'm sure loads of you do already, he's been working with Primark and he's done some brilliant Primark hauls recently which have been tempting me to go in there. I've been and had a look. I've been very, very restrained, but do pop over to his channel and have a watch of those if you want to see what Primark have got in for guys, because they've got some brilliant stuff. And also have a look at his Instagram as well, because his outfit photographs are fantastic, and every time I see one I just want to buy everything. So I've had to really restrain myself. The only things that I picked up in there, and this was very difficult for me, so I'm quite proud of myself, I bought 2 of these slim fit white t-shirts. So these are £2. I've got them in a size medium. I didn't try these on actually, but I think small's probably a bit too small around the arms for me. So I've just got these. As you'll hear me say about 1,000,000 times in every haul, a white t-shirt is a classic item in your wardrobe, and it goes really nicely under shirts. And also in this transitional season, it's quite nice just to wear a plain t-shirt underneath an overcoat or a jacket, because you're going from the cold into a warm place and then you jump on the tube or the bus or you know, into a supermarket and it's hot and then it's cold and then you're sweating before you know it. So often I'll just wear a t-shirt under a coat. So really good for that, and £2 is very good value. I think Primark t-shirts are pretty decent. They've also got in Primark these jumpers. I've worn this one, so it's a bit crinkled, but these are great because they are 100% cotton. I've gone for this one in a size small, and yeah, it's just this really simple cream colour, or camel, or beige, I'm not quite sure. Beige, I think. Anyway, it's really nice and neutral, basically, is what I'm trying to say to you. And quite a thin fabric as well, so not really hot as well, which I quite like, and really comfortable. It's washed quite nicely. And I think this was £8, which I think is great. They also do this in a really nice burgundy colour, in a navy blue, so some really nice colours for autumn as well in Primark. Oh, and do pop over to my Instagram as well if you want to see how I wear these clothes as well, because that's where I'll put all of my outfit photos. So my Instagram is Mr. Carrington, Mr. the word and then Carrington. I usually post stories on there every day as well, so if you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing day to day, I'm not sure if that's of interest, but if it is, then I'd love it if you followed me over there as well. I've gone out of order now, I'm sorry. So this is another piece that I picked up in Mango while I was on my holiday. So this is a slim fit polo shirt. This was £12.99 in their sale, €12.99 as well. And it's got this really nice navy blue and burgundy sort of check print on the front, which I just thought was really nice. I don't usually wear these kind of polo shirts. I guess I've got a few. They're not really my go-to. I usually wear short-sleeved shirts like this one. But I just thought that was really nice for the autumn. I thought the colours were really good. And I thought this would look really nice tucked into a pair of smart trousers, maybe with a nice belt on, of an evening, actually. So yeah. Thought that was quite a good bargain. And I picked up another jumper in Mango Man. This is a grey thin knit, and it's organic cotton, 100% organic cotton, and this one was €15.99 as well, so I thought that was a good price. And again, it's nice and thin, so it's great to wear underneath a jacket. I've done some work with Boohoo Man on my blog, so they've sent me a couple of pieces. The first thing that I chose from their collection was these black skinny jeans, which I wear black skinny jeans all the time. And on their website, it said checkerboard. So I thought, oh, that's interesting. They've probably got a black checkerboard pattern on the denim, because I couldn't quite make it out in the photos on their website. However, when these arrived, I found the checkerboard. It's on the back of the legs. So this just goes up the back of your calf, I guess, or about to mid-calf. And I wasn't sure about these, but actually when I put them on, I think they look quite cool. And I'm going to wear them with maybe some high tops or my trainers, maybe just with some like white socks and I nearly said sleeves, and what are they called? The legs? The cuffs rolled up a little bit. Yeah, so they fit really nicely. They are true to size. I got these in a size 32 regular. Yeah, Boohoo jeans are really good, and they're pretty cheap as well. So the ones I've had so far have lasted me really well. So they do some nice pieces. And the other thing I picked up from them, which I put a photograph on my Instagram of, is this camel overcoat. I'm completely obsessed with this overcoat. I've wanted a camel overcoat forever, and I never got around to buying one. They're usually quite pricey, but this one comes up, I think, in the Boohoo Man sale. Sorry, let me grab it for you. I think this comes up at £35 if you go onto their website and the sale's on, and they've always got discount codes going on their website. So this is it. It's this long overcoat. It's got pockets at the front, nice and deep. They're really big pockets that I managed to fit in my phone and my portable charger that I take everywhere, because my phone always dies at the moment for some reason. It's got an inside pocket as well, which is always good. You can pop your wallet in there, and it's quite warm but not really heavy, so if you are out and about, it's easy to carry around, or you can just sling it over your arm if you were hot. I'm obsessed with being hot, but you know, I do sweat a lot. I'm always sweating in my videos for some reason. I haven't got like a problem, it's just that sometimes I get hot and bothered. So yeah, I've worn this out to a few events, and I think it looked really smart So yeah, nice colouring as well for the autumn time. And I think the camel coat is an absolute classic item to have in your wardrobe, whether you're male or female. The next thing I want to show you is this pair of boots that were sent to me from a company called Goodwin Smith. And it's these Chelsea boots. I think these are absolutely beautiful. I love Chelsea boots. I think they're really versatile. I like black ones and I like this tan colour, and I've already got some black ones and I've got some grey suede, so I opted for a pair of tan ones because I thought they would look really nice for autumn. I can wear them with the overcoat that I've just shown you, and I'd probably team these up with, they go actually really nicely with black and blue jeans. I think pale blue jeans looks really nice with this colour, and they're just really easy because you can slip them on, obviously, because there's no laces, there's no faff, and yeah, they're just nice and sturdy. I've worn them a couple of times, so they might look a little bit scuffed, but really nice, good quality leather. These are quite pricey, but I think they are an investment piece. I've bought a lot of decent quality boots in the past, and what I tend to do with them is get them re-heeled. If this bit starts to go, I've taken them into the cobblers, and it's cost me about a tenner, maybe £15 per shoe to get them sorted, which if you're rescuing a pair of boots that have cost you £100 or so, it's well worth it, rather than just going out and buying a cheaper pair for £30 again. So yeah, definitely a nice investment piece and a solid staple for an autumn wardrobe. And I think these will look great all the way through into Christmas time. And yeah, I guess any time of year, to be honest with you. But I just feel that that colour is very autumnal. You can imagine these crunching around in the autumn leaves, can't you? There's the Instagram shot right there. I'm obsessed. And the final thing that I've got to show you is a jacket from Superdry. If you watched my recent vlog where I went shopping in London, you'll know that I visited the Superdry store. They very kindly invited me into their flagship store to have a look around at all their autumn and winter jackets. They've got an amazing range in there. I didn't realise how many different styles of coats they did. I thought they were all about the big branding with the Superdry across it. They've actually got some really nice simple pieces. They've got some lovely overcoats, some really nice leather jackets, and jackets for all different weathers. So they've got things like to protect you from the wind, the rain, and from the heat, from the snow. They've got ones if you're going skiing. So really worth a look if you haven't considered this brand before, which I hadn't been in there for ages. And the flagship store on Regent Street is huge. It is absolutely massive. It's about 8 stories tall. I'll link the vlog down below if you want to have a look at more of their jackets, because I tried a few on in store, including some that had like these amazing really cozy hoods with all fur around, and yeah, they're really, really nice. But the one that they very kindly gave to me to shoot for my Instagram, I'll probably do a blog post with some of my autumn fashion as well, was this one, which I absolutely love. You may have seen it in the video already. It's this brown suede, what would you call this? It's this brown suede jacket. It's absolutely beautiful. It's really heavy actually, because obviously there's a lot of fabric and suede going on here. It's got this really nice lining, and then the Sherpa, is that what we call it? Collar? Sorry, I'm not very good with my words today. What's new? But I'm going to put this one on for you, just to show you. Yeah, I just love this jacket. It's so warm and cozy as well with the lining, and I think I'm going to be wearing this a lot. It's my new favourite, definitely. It's got poppers going up it. It's got a couple of pockets on the front. Not that you'd put things in these, but they're just more for detail, I guess. And then some nice pockets at the side. It's got the fastenings here so you can take it in a little bit at the waist if you want to. And yeah, I just think this is a really lovely piece. It's definitely another investment piece, but you know, my other leather jacket, the one that I've got from Zara, I've had for over 10 years now. So I do think pieces like this are worth spending a little bit more money in. I'm trying to be a bit more considered now as to how it will fit into my wardrobe and how I can mix and match it. So this, for example, for autumn, I think, well, it goes nicely with this shirt already. I could also wear the grey jumper underneath it, and I think that would go quite nicely. I could definitely wear the beige one, absolutely no worries under there. And the classic white t-shirt, of course, would look really good under here as well. So I'm really trying to think a little bit more about how all these things go together and not just go for something because I like it if that makes sense. Hopefully it does. Right, I'm getting hot now. So that is everything that I've got to show you. I hope you enjoyed this eclectic haul. I know it was all a bit bits and pieces from here, there and everywhere. So yeah, I just hope you enjoyed that, and I will link any of the things that I can find online down for you below. So if you want to get hold of those, you can click through in the description box. Don't forget, feel free to follow me on my Instagram if you want to see how I put outfits together. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite, and also what your key items are in your wardrobe for autumn going into winter. Whether you're male or female, I'm interested to know what kind of colours you're reaching for, whether you've bought anything recently or whether you're just bringing out some trusty favourites from last year. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye. It's all quite autumnal, so it felt like a good... Be quiet, motorbike. I don't...